Number 20. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 90, BC is 16, and AC is 20. Triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC, where vertices D, E, and F correspond to vertices A, B, and C respectively, and each side of triangle DEF is 1/3 the length of the corresponding side of triangle ABC. What is the value of sine F? There is so much verbiage here, and it's not all necessary. They are messing with you. All right, so first thing, anytime they're describing any geometric shape, I'm going to start drawing immediately. Triangle ABC, they tell us the measure of angle B is 90 degrees. Okay, a right triangle. So I'm going to draw myself a right triangle. A, B, C, and B is my right angle. Done. BC is 16. Okay, so I'm going to write that on my picture. AC is 20. 20. Okay. Right off, this is something I want you to know. I want you to ingrain it in your head. Right triangles, the most common right triangle you're ever going to see is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle over and over and over again. There are some others like a 5, 12, 13. That's another one that shows up, but not as common as the 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 right triangles are like the oldest ones we have. If you're going back historically, you see evidence of 3, 4, 5 right triangles being used thousands of years ago in construction and such. It also applies to any multiples of this. So if it's 5 times 4, then this side would be 4 times 4. This other side would be 3 times 4. It's still a right triangle. So when I look at this and I go, 20 is 4 times 5. Wait, 16 is 4 times 4. This is 4 times 4, 5 times the same number. This side must be 3 times 4, or 12. It is a multiple of a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. That kind of thing, of recognizing that, will help you so much on these kind of tests. So that is helpful here. If you can recognize that, it's great. So 3 times 4, or 12, is my other side. So I do not have to do the whole 16 squared plus a squared equals 20 squared and solve for that without a calculator. Yeah, you don't want to be doing that on a test since your last problem and you're frantically trying to get it done. Right, so we're told there's another triangle, DEF, that is similar to it. So it has the same angles, but is proportionally either bigger or smaller. So DEF, it is similar to it. And then it says, each side of triangle DEF is 1/3 the length of the corresponding side of angle ABC. That sentence, or that phrase, that clause, is irrelevant. It doesn't matter at all. It is just because like they want you to take like 1/3 of 20 and 1/3 of 16. What? No, you do not need that at all. What is the value of sine F? Sine F. These triangles are similar. Similar triangles always will have corresponding angles are congruent. Always. It's the definition. It's in the definition of similar triangles. So the sine of F, the sine of an angle of a certain degree, is always the same no matter how big or small the triangle it is in. So the sine of 45 degrees, it will be the same if it's a teeny tiny triangle or a huge triangle. That's what trig is all about. That's what sine, cosine, and tangent are all about. So the sine of angle F is going to be the same as the sine of angle C. It just is. You don't have to do, oh, it's 1/3, so what's 1/3 of 20? No, you do not have to do that. That's ridiculous. They're just trying to mess you up and make you waste time. So the sine of angle C. Sine is equal to the length of the opposite, divided by the length of the hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite side from C is 12, and the hypotenuse is 20. And you can simplify that down to be 3/5, because it was just like a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, opposite over hypotenuse C, 3, 4, 5. It's a good thing to know. Because if you realize it's a 3, 4, 5, you just jump straight to that and say, 3/5. Don't even have to simplify afterwards. And you didn't have to do all that Pythagorean theorem to figure out that that was 12. So the sine of angle F over here is the same as the sine of angle C, which again is opposite divided by hypotenuse, 12/20, which simplifies to 3/5, which is your answer. If this was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.